All right, so I've always been kind of budget oriented when it comes to gear, and it's no different with tripods. And recently I had a company by the name of Sinnofoto approach me, offering to send their tripod to me to test and review, and obviously I couldn't resist that, so I took them up on it. So that's what this video is. This is a review of the Sinnofoto tripod, one of them, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I have been playing with it for a couple weeks, so I've taken it out of the box, but I put it back in so I could unbox it and kind of show what you'll get when you get the thing in the mail. And then we're gonna talk about my thoughts on it and my experiences so far. So let's get to it. All right, so when you first get the box, this is what it looks like right here. Got a pretty cool design on it. And opening up the top. You come to a padded zippered case with the Sinnofoto logo here in rubber embroidered on it. Unzips from the end. And the tripod, we're going to talk about this in a moment. So inside the padded zippered case, there's a little zipper section here with some extras. Got a strap for the bag itself, a user manual, and then you got a couple Allen wrenches for adjustments, a 3/8 stud here, and then some replacement sleeves for the locking mechanisms of the legs. So keep that on hand. Coming to the tripod itself, opening the legs here. So, ball head comes with this little neoprene padded bag over top of it. It's almost like a wetsuit type of material. Pretty handy, keeps it nice, keeps it from getting marred up too much. And then the tripod itself. So, the ball head is probably my favorite part of this thing. I have kind of bragged about the K&F Concept ball heads and how smooth they are. This one's even better. The smoothness of this thing is just unreal. You could use it for video head or video panning absolutely no problem and be super happy with it. It's definitely got some dampening in there and ultra smooth. That's the first thing you notice about it. Ball head's really well built, all aluminum. The adjustment knob's got a lot of room for tension in it. It's not just kind of tight or loose. So you got a lot of room of adjustment in there, markings. So on the ball head, as usual with most, you've got the spirit level here. So if you decide to go with your camera into a portrait orientation, you'll have a level there on the top to balance it. But unlike my K&F Concept tripods, it also has a level on here. So that way if you're actually shooting landscape mode, you will have a level to keep it level right there. Got the locking mechanism for the thing here. And so far this has actually been my most favorite tripod by far. So this is the carbon fiber version, as you can see here. Definitely lightweight, but it's got the weight hook here on the bottom of the post. So if you're out in the field, hang a bag on it, put some rocks in it or something, and then you've got some sturdy base to go with. The other thing I like about carbon fiber in Alaska is, where I live in Alaska, aluminum gets really cold. I mean, it gets negative 30 degrees here at points, and grabbing onto that, it's just really cold if you're not wearing gloves, or even if it's not that cold. But carbon fiber kind of keeps a little bit warmer to the touch. I know it's kind of a small thing, but it's just something that I noticed when using it. Locking mechanism. So unlike a lot of tripods here, if you can see that, usually there's like a lever you push and you have to hold it down in order to open it and close it. And if you let go, it'll latch on there. This one, you just pull out and it stays unlatched until you push back in. Haven't really decided if I like that or if I don't like that. It's just another feature. They did it on purpose. I mean, it'd be almost easier to do it with the spring-loaded thing, but I'm sure it serves a purpose. It does make it so you can just pull it out and flip it back. You don't have to hold it while you do it the whole time, but pretty cool. Locking mechanisms for leg. Everything's really smooth on this guy. And then the feet, obviously down at the bottom. Two of the legs come with the padded grips here, which is a nice touch. And then this one here with the Sinnofoto logo actually unscrews and converts into a monopod. So just like that, take a leg off, put the ball head on, and you've got a monopod built into your camera. So always a nice feature to have that. I don't use the monopod as much as I thought I would, but it is nice to be able to have that if you really need. Got the mounting plate. Of course, my camera's probably not going to focus on it. No. Yep, there we go. Mounting plate is nice, low profile. It's got these little guys on it right here for locking. So if you loosen it up, or if it comes loose, your camera won't fall off of the tripod automatically. You got to really get it loose to take it off. Another added feature, pretty cool. So overall, I've got a couple pretty nice K&F concept tripods that are, in fact, I'm using one right here for this overhead shot. I think this one takes the cake for my favorite tripod, definitely. I like the carbon fiber, definitely nice. It's nice to the touch, lightweight. You can still hook on weight to the bottom, and it doesn't have all the extras that the K&F concept one does, like the fact that the articulating head and all that, but realizing after I had those features, I really don't use them that much, and it's nice to just have a simple tripod that's built well and does well. So overall, awesome product. So far I haven't found anything that I don't like about it. Sinnofoto does do promos on these periodically. They will promote them with discount coupons, so you can check back on my channel here. I will post those coupons when they come available. If you found this helpful in any way, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.